hi, this is Mahar Afzal, founder and managing director, Kress Cooper eLearning School, London. We decided to give a platform where the people will be able to learn by sitting at their homes. And we have launched eLearning School with the name of Kress Cooper eLearning School with the tagline of E-Ways, the new ways. Definitely you will be thinking how this model will work. The model is very straightforward and simple. We will provide online, remote, distant classes to the students all across the globe. For the time being, we will provide recorded videos, but in the long run, it will be live classes. Might be the teacher and student, they are sitting in two different continents. Might be they are sitting in two different countries. Might be they are sitting in the same street or in the same home, but they will be learning through the system. Teacher would be available online. Teacher would be teaching on specific day, a specific time, or might be on weekly basis, might be on daily basis, keeping with the requirement of the students. So who can take the maximum benefits? Either you are science students, you are studying mathematics, physics, chemistry, or you are a business student, you are studying strategic financial management, human resource, business ethics, marketing. You can take the maximum benefits from these videos. Assuming you are professional, assuming you are a finance professional, and you are sitting in the market, you are responsible to manage VAT, excise, customs, direct taxes, withholding tax, financial reporting, management reporting, investment appraisals, working capital, debtors, creditors, cost of the company, hedging techniques, valuation, mergers. Definitely all these videos will be quite helpful for you. And what's most important thing, if you are a business owner, you are thinking how to grow the business, our techniques will be quite helpful for you as well. So immediately what we are going to focus, immediately we are focusing on three things. First is the GCC VAT, second is the GCC excise duty, and the third is strategic financial management. In the VAT, first we will focus on the UAE, then we will focus on KSA, then Bahrain. In the same way, we will focus on the excise duty by starting from UAE. Our lectures on the strategic financial management, it will be quite helpful for the ACCA students, CA students, and other professional bodies. I would like to highlight, if you have a command in any subject, you are interested in teaching, you can become our strategic pioneers partner. You can join us. We'll run this show together. We'll move ahead together. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe, stay blessed.